Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to change alarm clock snooze time in Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is click the analog clock widget or digital clock widget to proceed to alarm clock. And okay guys, here below you can see the alarm, the word clock, the stopwatch, and the timer. And okay guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change alarm clock snooze time. And okay guys, you'll have to do is go to alarm or click alarm. And okay guys, here in alarm you can see the time. Okay, click the time or alarm time. And okay guys, below you can see the snooze. And okay guys, you'll have to do is click snooze. And okay guys, here in the snooze, you can see the interval and the repeat time. And okay guys, to change the interval, okay, you can change into 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, or 30 minutes. And okay guys, I decide to change into 15 minutes. And okay guys, the repeat time, okay, you can change into 5 times or forever. And okay guys, so I choose 5 times. And okay guys, so okay. So after you set the snooze time, okay, go back and don't forget to click the save button below to save your snooze time of your alarm clock. And okay guys, that's it, and we have successfully changed the alarm clock snooze time in your Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.